Hello friends, today in this video I am going to cover the topic of Indian Arms Act 1878. This act was implemented during Viceroy Lord Lytton tenure. After the Great Revolt of 1857, the British government were in an immense fear. They thought that if another rebellion breaks out, it would be really tough for them to control it. Many even thought that another rebellion would be the end of the British rule in India. So they tried their best to set off another armed rebellion by introducing Arms Act 1878. According to this act, no Indians were allowed to keep arms without any proper license. It was applicable on Indians only, but the English, Anglo-Indians and government servants of certain categories were exempted from this act. Its violation would be a criminal offence. The offenders were to be punished both with fine and imprisonment. Thanks for watching this video.